Yeah, guys, today I'm going to be introducing you to an opportunity that helps you to move to the UK or even to Ireland as quick as few days to a few weeks. This opportunity is I'm going to be talking about two different immigration agents that will help you to relocate to the United Kingdom without so much stress or without even wasting time. So these are pictures of their global partners in different countries whom you can actually contact to get across to them. You can see in India, I don't know this country, ST, I don't know where it is. Okay, there are cities, I think. Okay, Guyana is a country, Botswana, Jamaica, Namibia, Philippines, African others like Nigerians and others. This is also covering Nigeria and other African countries. Barbados, Philippines, Guyana, African others, South Africa, Philippines. So anyway, that is just to show you that you can actually contact people you know, people you can meet, people you can discuss with. Okay, but then let's have a look at the home. Yeah, this is what the homepage looks like. And immigration through this process is in five simple steps. Number one is training and document collection. Number two is interview and employment process. Number three is qualification and examination process. And number four is departure and relocation process. And number five is arrival and integration process. So these are the processes which they could use to help you. And below are just a few testimonies of people who have passed through this process. Okay. Now the number of people whom they employ mainly nurses, but apart from that, they take care of people in allied care, doctors, and other healthcare services. So if you fall among these guys, then you will be able to go through this process. Okay. Yeah. So you can see if you are a nurse, a carer, a doctor, and other allied medical care health services provider, then you can um, join through this process. Yeah. So now, if you want to apply, you can decide to choose any of these processes. You want to register in any of these, you can apply. But then I'm going to come to that, but I just want to look at some questions being frequently asked. Are you a licensed accredited healthcare recruiter agency? Okay, that's the agency anyway. Okay. Um, what country does NMA recruit from? These are all the countries they've been recruiting from. Okay. Even though it's not just limited to this, but they've recruited from all this country, Afghanistan, Angola, Bangladesh. You can look at them. Let's go down and see Central African Republic, Chad, Congo, Nigeria. Yeah, you can see Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Lesotho, Liberia, Madagascar, Malawi, Mali. Let's check. We have Nigeria. And then they recruit from all this country, including Nigeria, Rwanda, Philippines, and all the like. So if you're from any of this country, you can free to apply for this position. Okay. You can also see the benefits and other informations which you may need. But then let's go back to applicants. Yeah. So you can see all these applicants can apply. Okay, so let me just go to applicants. Now, from applicant section, you can see your overseas journey starts here. Great salary, great benefit, fantastic opportunity to travel. Select your destination below. So let me say nothing in Ireland. Then hit it up. Then you can see this will pop up. So you see all you need to know to join this program. All relocation costs covered by employers. Be connected to the best employer in Ireland. Be supported and, and prepared for your interview. Get a market-related salary and benefit. Be guided through your registration process, your accommodation sorted before you arrive, meet and greet or at the airport, career guidance throughout. So just click apply now. And when you click this pops up. You select your profession, let's say nurse, register nurse, and your name. I'm not ready to fill this form, okay? Put in your name, your surname. What do you want us to call you? Your preferred name, your email, contact number, your date of birth, country of residence, nationality, country of training, marital status, close closest airport, gender. Just fill all the informations. And once you finish, you click and drop your CV and you submit it. That is just the way to apply for this position. So once you submit it, they're going to review your credentials, they will look at your experience, and they will contact you. But be aware that the quality of your CV matters, the quality of how you package your work experience, and a number of other informations that will project you. So it is important that you ensure that you've done a well tailored CV and you've been able to express your work experience in such a way that it will be attractive to these potential employers so that they will be able to pick up your CV. And once that is done, be aware that all your living costs will be covered. So that is how beautiful this is, okay? They've also got the resource library where you can get some helpful information about moving to the UK, moving to Ireland, and information that will help you to prepare for tests of English, visa interview, and a lot of other things that you might be needing, including writing exam, professional exams, and others. So you may also go here to see the job opportunities and a number of other things. Okay. So the next is Grace Health Care.ie is also a very famous recruitment agency in Ireland, and they're well reputable in what they do. So this agency recruit a number of persons, I mean a number of people, different careers in nursing, healthcare sectors, and all that. So just to make it as quick as possible, I don't want to waste a lot of time so that you can quickly go through this and get this application done for yourself. So look up to career, and if you hit up the career sector, you see the number of people they employ, and you see the current vacancies they have at the moment. They have vacancy for assistant director of nursing, clinical nurse manager, staff nurse, healthcare assistant, housekeeping supervisor, kitchen assistant, housekeeping assistant, activities coordinator, and chef. So if you fall between any of these, you can apply for this position. If not in this and you're into healthcare and you done some healthcare assistant course, you can actually apply for a healthcare assistant job. And if you're a staff nurse, you can just hit up the staff nurse and see what the requirements are. So you can see at Grace Healthcare, the dignity, comfort, and care of our residents are at the heart of our philosophy. Candidates must be highly motivated and interested in working in care of the elderly. Successful Successful candidate will ensure that the highest standard of person-centered care is delivered. And you can see the eligibility criteria. If you're eligible, you have to have this number of things here. Candidate must be registered with an board attorneys, minimum 6 months postgraduate elder care experience is preferable. A number of stuff like strong clinical and communication skill are required. Must practice person-centered approach in patient care, ability to work as part of a team, knowledge of HIQA regulation, eligibility to work in Ireland. So these are a number of things you may want to have. And main duties and responsibilities, um, the many benefits they have includes employment assistance program, PRSA pension fund, substantial pharmacy staff discount, cycle to work scheme, mobile access to rosters online, roster issued in advance, availability of swap, role on offer include part-time and full-time opportunity to progress your career, monthly staff newsletter, and a number of other available benefits you may want to see. So guys, this how to hit up this. So once you find you're eligible for any of the position, the application system is so simple and so stress free. Just put in your names, your email address, your phone number, your current residence, your position, nursing home. You select which nursing home you may want to work in according to what location you may want to settle. You put in the CV and you say, I'm not a robot, and you send. And that is all you need to do to apply for this position. These guys are very reputable in what they do, and they're well known. I mean, you can check them up and find out more about them. So do not waste time. Hit up the application because this might end any moment from now. I mean, they may fill all this space and you may not find a space so soon. So it is important for you to take the bold step, prepare a good CV, and hit up the application as soon as possible. These guys are well reputable and they have representatives in different countries where they recruit from. So this representative, you can meet them one on one and you can discuss with them to find out what the involvement are. Just like they said, it is their total responsibility to get you. You don't need to pay for the services. The employer will pay for the services. So guys, just get this application done and I wish you the best of luck and I hope you become successful in it. Cheers.